Let's talk tyres, guys. For those who don't know, if your tyre's about to wear out, how do you tell when to get new ones? You'll see an indicator mark here. It's a little arrow. Follow that arrow and you'll come inside and you'll find that mark there. That's called a wear indicator mark. Little groove there. This is on a four-wheel drive tyre. We'll show you on a normal passenger car. So here we have my learner car. If we come down over here, you follow the tyre around till you see an arrow. Here again, once again, we have an arrow. Follow that arrow and inside there, if I can get it, you'll see a wear indicator mark right where the torch is. And that's how you tell. For more tips like this, stay tuned, subscribe, thumbs up and share.